I'm excited to introduce the Jobs Engine, an AI-powered career intelligence agent that helps anyone land their dream job faster. It reads your resume, searches live jobs, matches you with the best opportunities, and even crafts personalized cover letters. Jobs Engine is a multi-agent system built on Streamlit with Gemini 2.5 Flash. It combines a suite of specialized agents: a resume analysis agent, job search agent, match scoring agent, resume tailoring agent, interview coach agent, and a career roadmap agent, all coordinated by an orchestrator. The workflow is secure with a dedicated security checkpoint and MCP tools for external services. At a glance, the project lets you upload a resume, instantly scan live job listings, get AI-driven match scores, and receive a polished cover letter, all in a sleek dark mode UI. The orchestrator routes the request. The resume analysis agent parses your PDF and extracts skills. Next, the job search agent calls the Adzuna API to fetch live listings. The match scoring agent computes TF-IDF similarity and skill overlap to rank jobs. The security checkpoint validates the data for PII leaks and injection attempts, logging the audit. The MCP server tools handle the Adzuna API key and Gemini calls. After scoring, the resume tailoring agent drafts a custom cover letter. The interview coach agent generates interview questions, and finally, the career roadmap agent suggests next steps actions. Human approval pauses at the cover letter review step. Let's see the system in action here on our local setup. As you can see on the screen, we start in the Upload Resume tab. I'm going to upload our candidate's resume. Once uploaded, the system parses the text and extracts key information. Let's trigger the resume analysis agent. The pipeline begins processing, reading the candidate's core background, in this case, focusing on software development with skills like Python, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Once the extraction completes successfully, we get a comprehensive breakdown. 43 skills found, an entry-level designation, and a professional summary tailored directly to our user's technical profile. Now let's head over to the Job Search tab to fetch real-time opportunities. We'll search for a software developer role based in Hyderabad within India. Clicking Search Jobs executes our agent pipeline once again. The job analysis agent queries the live Adzuna API, retrieving 50 active listings. Instantly scores them against our candidate profile. Down here, we see the top curated matches, including a software developer opening at Einsight in Hyderabad, with specific match skills highlighted. To get a complete application package, let's click on Details and move to the Recommendations area. This page automatically calculates a deep match breakdown, combining semantic similarity and direct skill overlap. By executing the full agent pipeline, the remaining specialized modules run sequentially. The resume tailoring agent kicks off to draft a custom cover letter, followed by the interview coach agent creating tailored technical prep questions, and the career roadmap agent mapping out an analytical upskilling. Scrolling through our results tabs, we have a structured career roadmap showing prioritized milestones and learning resources. Under tailored cover letter, the system has generated a completely personalized letter addressed specifically to the hiring manager at Einsight, emphasizing our candidate's matching background. Finally, the interview preparation section outputs 10 custom technical and behavioral questions designed exactly around the intersection of this job description and the applicant's profile to ensure perfect interview readiness. During this process, the security checkpoint dynamically ensures any PII is caught before it leaves the local system, logging the event for compliance. Concurrently, our MCP tools seamlessly manage the underlying Gemini LLM integration and external job queries behind the scenes, ensuring secure credential handling throughout the entire session. Anyone looking to transition careers, upskill, or just get better job matches benefits from this end-to-end AI assistant. It saves hours of manual searching and tailors applications to each role. I'd also like to thank Antigravity and the 5-day AI Agents Intensive Vibe coding course for providing the guidance and resources that supported this project. Thank you for watching. Jobs Engine is ready to boost your career.